Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chic and Elegant Home Decor. Whether you're building a brand new kitchen or updating your old one, this video is made for you. Some kitchens instantly feel expensive, even when they're small, not because of size or budget, but because of how everything comes together. The most elegant kitchens don't try to impress. They feel calm, balanced, and effortless. And that's usually the first sign of a truly refined space. In modern modular kitchens, the expensive feeling often comes from restraint. When only 2 or 3 materials are used, the space feels composed and intentional. Nothing competes for attention. Everything feels in place. Proportion plays a quiet but powerful role. Repeated modules, balanced cabinet widths, and clean lines create a sense of order. The eye relaxes, and the kitchen feels well designed without trying too hard. Work areas are kept visually simple. Uncluttered backsplashes and clean countertops allow the design to breathe, which instantly makes the kitchen feel more elevated. In expensive-looking kitchens, appliances rarely stand out. They blend into the cabinetry, becoming part of the architecture rather than the focus. This subtlety makes the whole space feel calmer and more intentional. Lighting is treated as one cohesive element. When the tone and style of light remain consistent, the kitchen feels harmonious and complete, never chaotic. Neutral foundations also play an important role. They age beautifully, staying relevant year after year, which is another quiet sign of thoughtful design. Often, the most luxurious effect is created not by adding more, but by removing what isn't necessary. When visual noise disappears, the kitchen instantly feels more refined. That's why modern modular kitchens can feel so expensive. Not because they show off, but because they know when to stay quiet. And when everything works together, materials, proportions, light, and simplicity, even a small kitchen can feel elegant, timeless, and truly premium. Every kitchen tells a story, your story. It doesn't have to be perfect or expensive to feel beautiful. When you choose materials and colors that make you smile, that's when design truly works. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be happy to see you again with more calm and elegant ideas for your home.